They will explain why the facility is. You check first here, and after this we go around.
Okay. I was checking this. Was good. Okay. So now this is the shooting guide. Yes. Okay.
This shoot and tap, shotgun.
And then the 10, 20, 25. Okay, I'll go see the next one.
10 minutes.
Also 60 line.
60.
We go to the running target, 10 meters, running target, we have
Take pictures. Yes. Also, so we can go. Yeah, okay.
Yang dia ikut tadi yang pertama tadi.